Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making yummy sausage fried rice. This recipe is part of a longer video, however, because most of you are mainly here for the recipe videos, I decided to pull this part to create this standalone recipe video. I start cooking the sausages as I would normally do. Once done, I cut 6 sausages and start cooking. I heat some oil, add the vegetables and spring onions, followed by the spices. I've listed these in the description box below. Feel free to use my spice combination as a guide, experiment with different spices, or simply use your choice of spices. I start to combine and add oil as needed. I add a little water, some vegeta, and then add the chopped sausages. I add the rice and stir gently until everything comes together. I continue mixing until everything is well combined. At this point, the aroma in the kitchen is so good. I check for salt and seasoning and adjust salt to taste. Our fried rice is ready and the sausages have added a delicious flavor to it. The rice is so good and my kids can't have enough of it. Serve it immediately, otherwise transfer it into a separate container to prevent the rice from drying out. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do. If you do, let us know how yours turned out in the comments. If you like this recipe, kindly give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. For simple recipes, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted whenever I put up a new video. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you all in my next video.